Just imagine, this past year has already come to an end. Not just the major events, but the ordinary days too. Do you remember them? Probably not. It's as if the whole year flew by in a week. The truth is, you're not alone. Many people share this exact same feeling. But let me tell you something. This isn't just a feeling, but your brain is actually changing your perception of time. By the end of this video, we'll understand why life feels faster every year and how you can slow down that sensation. Also, how this issue might be significantly affecting our health. Let's first understand how your brain measures time. It doesn't count it in hours, nor in minutes. Your brain measures time by the number of memories. Every new experience, every different sensation, every situation happening for the first time is a unit of time. But when your day is just like the one before it, your brain skips over it quickly without recording it. That's why your childhood felt so long, but now the days are just racing by. In a famous scientific experiment, people of various ages were asked to estimate 1 minute without a watch, and the result was clear and shocking. Children estimated about 75 seconds, adults estimated about 50 seconds. The elderly estimated about 35 seconds, meaning as you age, your perception of time decreases. Not because time has changed, but because your brain records less. And this is a very important medical point, as it's linked to brain areas like the hippocampus, responsible for memory formation, and also to a substance called dopamine, which increases when you try something new. And so, the more repetitive your life becomes, the sense of time disappears. So why does this happen? The first reason is routine. When your day is repetitive, your brain enters an automatic mode. Like the airplane mode on a phone, it doesn't record any details. The second reason is age relativity, meaning as you get older, a year becomes a smaller part of your life, so it feels like it's racing. But the most common reason is the loss of attention, that you're no longer present in your life. Your brain is there, but your attention isn't, and that makes the day pass without being felt. You don't just age suddenly, you lose the days you didn't truly live. Let me tell you about John. John is an average young man in America who wakes up in the morning. The first thing he does is grab his phone and start scrolling. Then some news, a quick coffee, he goes to work, he comes back tired. He opens Netflix, watches something, and goes to sleep, and repeats the same day, every month, month after month, year after year, until one day he opened old photos and saw his son as a little boy. Then he looked at him now and saw he'd grown up. He paused for a moment and asked himself, how do I not remember how these years passed? Now here's the most important part. This isn't just psychological. It affects your body as well. When you live in a routine and constant stress, your body enters a state called chronic stress. In this case, cortisol levels stay high all the time, and that causes sleep disturbances, constant fatigue, high blood pressure, and inflammation in the body. More dangerously, constant stress and pressure affect the tiny blood vessels, including the ones that supply the kidneys. Unfortunately, over time, this can accelerate kidney function decline without you noticing. As a nephrologist, I see many cases starting with chronic psychological stress and repetitive routines, leading to serious kidney issues. By the way, there are signs many people ignore that serve as the first warning that the kidneys are affected. I explained this in detail in another video on the channel, linked in the description or the I card above. If you truly care about your health, I recommend watching it after this video. The issue isn't just that time is flying, the issue is that your body is being affected. So what should we do? The solution is to change how you experience time. Science says your brain perceives life's length by the number of memories. So the more experiences you have, the longer life feels, even if time stays the same. First, intentional novelty. What does that mean? You don't have to travel or do something big, just do something different on purpose. For example, if you take the same route to work every day, change the route even if it's a bit longer. If you always order the same food, try something new. If you're always in the same spot, change your location. To your brain, these small things are new events, meaning new memories. Second, mindful presence. Let me ask you, when was the last time you ate without your phone? It's probably been a while. Try doing something simple, 10 minutes a day without any screens. Sit and have a drink, look around you, focus on the moment. This restores attention, and when attention returns, memories return. Number 3, writing down details. Sometimes your brain lives the day but doesn't record it. So write just 2 lines before you go to sleep. Went to work, met someone, felt something. This helps your brain hold on to the day. Fourth, and most importantly, digital detox. You can spend a whole hour on your phone and feel like you did nothing. But that same hour with someone you love, you'll remember the details. Why? Because you were present. Try 1 hour a day without a screen. Fifth, break your weekly routine. Every week, do something completely different. Go somewhere new, try a new activity, meet new people. This creates a weekly milestone so it doesn't feel like it just passed by. Let me tell you something from my work as a nephrologist. So many people go through their day without noticing simple things. Did you drink water or not? How long did you sit without moving? Did you sleep well or not? How was your sleep quality? If a patient has conditions like hypertension, is their blood pressure stable? Is their blood sugar stable? The day passes without any awareness. Unfortunately, these small things accumulate, and with low water intake, constant stress, and irregular sleep, all of this slowly strains the kidneys without any clear symptoms at first. The result is a decline in kidney function. Being mindful of your day isn't a luxury, it's protection for your health. And this isn't just a feeling, it's science. Every new experience activates the brain, boosts dopamine, and strengthens memory formation. It also reduces stress and lowers the impact of cortisol on the body. So you're not just extending your sense of life, you're also preserving your health. The bottom line is, time isn't racing, it's your attention that's racing. Life isn't just about the number of days you've lived. Life is about the number of moments you've truly lived. Take care of your health. Your health matters to me. And don't forget, we made this video for you today with good intentions. We also hope you've done something good today, and always make it a habit. Like, share, and benefit others. See you tomorrow, and I'll see you next week to check on you and reassure you. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who has the same question. Why does time seem to fly so fast as we get older? Lastly, if you felt this video was helpful today, write time in the comments. And don't forget to watch this video to protect your kidneys. God bless.